Welcome to our production line, and this is where every artificial Christmas tree begins. Welcome to our production line, and this is where every artificial Christmas tree begins.
These PVC pellets are the foundation of the tree's needles. Once inside the hopper, the pellets begin the melting process. This is where we add the color that will give the needles their natural green shade.
The pellets melt at high temperatures, forming a smooth and consistent blend.
The molten PVC is pressed through this flat die to form a thin film.
These rollers cool and compress the film to the exact thickness we need.
Once cooled, the film is collected into massive rolls for further processing.
These thin ribbons will soon become the base of our tree needles.
This shredding process gives each branch its realistic needle appearance.
These steel wires will form the backbone or spine of each tree branch.
We position the needle material evenly along each wire before twisting begins.
The twisting machine tightly wraps the PVC needles around the wire, creating the full branch structure.
Every branch comes out perfectly shaped for the next stage of production.
We cut the branches into different sizes so they fit perfectly into the tree's conical design.
These steel tubes will become the central trunk of the tree. We drill precise holes so every branch fits securely in place. The trunk sections are painted and cured to ensure a durable, natural finish.
We attach every branch by hand to guarantee strength and perfect positioning.
We assemble the tree layer by layer to achieve the natural, tapered shape.
We fluff every branch to give it a natural fullness and realistic texture.
The hot air treatment helps the needles keep their natural curve and structure.
Some trees include decorative pine cones for added realism.
We apply glitter tips on certain models to give them a festive shimmer.
For snowy models, we add a textured coating to simulate freshly fallen snow. For snowy models, we add a textured coating to simulate freshly fallen snow.
For snowy models, we add a textured coating to simulate freshly fallen snow. LED models have internal wiring installed so the lights are perfectly integrated and invisible.
We test each lighting circuit to ensure uniform brightness and perfect functionality.
Every tree is checked for strength, stability, and long-term durability.
Christmas trees must meet fire safety standards, so we test small samples from every production batch.
Our final inspection ensures every tree looks perfect before packaging. We cut a sample from every production batch to test fire safety.
This ensures the material meets international fire resistance standards.
We measure burn rate and self-extinguishing behavior.
PVC must self-extinguish within seconds to pass.
All test data is logged and tied to each production run.
Every tree is checked for uniformity and durability.
A stable base is essential for customer safety.
For LED models, we test every circuit before packaging.
Only approved units move ahead for folding and packaging.
We fold each branch carefully so it stays full when the customer opens it at home.
We pack each tree with stands and instructions to ensure a perfect unboxing experience.
Every box is sealed tightly and labeled for identification and shipment. Boxes are stacked securely on pallets, ready for transport. Plastic wrap ensures stability and protects the trees during shipping.
Our warehouse stores finished trees safely until they are ready for shipment.
We load containers efficiently, making sure every tree arrives safely.
Every load is strapped tightly to prevent shifting during transport.
Trucks are loaded and ready to deliver our trees worldwide.
From raw materials to fully packaged trees, every step is carefully controlled to ensure quality and safety. It's Christmas morning, and the family is adding the final touches to their tree.
Every ornament finds its perfect spot, making the tree sparkle with joy.
The finishing touch, the star shines atop the tree.
The tree comes alive as the lights glow, filling the room with holiday magic.
I got it! Look, Mom, look, Dad!
Wow, that's incredible.
We thought you'd like that one.
Stockings are hung carefully, awaiting surprises from Santa.
Evening comes, and the warmth of the tree and fire brings everyone together.
With the tree as the centerpiece, the family shares a joyful Christmas feast.
The family sings together, filling the home with festive melodies.
Outside it snows softly, while inside the tree glows with holiday cheer.